What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today I have a very special shoe that hasn't even dropped yet, and I'm gonna show you guys. And I just needed these and I just had to get them like that, you know. I had to get these, I had to add these to my collection. It was a must. And yeah, I got these a week early. I believe they drop next week on Saturday or Thursday, I think. So they dropped like in about a week. Got them a week early. And bro, when I saw these shoes, where there was leaked pictures of these shoes, I just had to have them. And I've talked about it in a couple of my other videos that when I saw these, I needed them in a collection. I needed them, and yeah, I finally have them. So enough talking, let's get straight into this early look of this special shoe. So the shoe comes in this black box, black Nike box. Yeah, nothing special, just a regular Nike black box. And yeah, got these in my size. Very happy to have these, but that's the box, just in case you guys were wondering. And then the shoe, that honestly, this shoe right here is probably top 3 sneaker releases of this year, hands down. And I'm happy that these are coming back out again, because these have released in the past. But we have the Nike Air Mid Prestos in this cotton candy colorway. And bro, like I said, when I first saw pictures of the rumors that these were gonna release again in different colorways, this colorway right here was just a must, bro. The colors on these, it just pops, and this shoe looks so nice. It looks nice and clean, and it's just very nice, very nice. And like I said, there were 3 other colorways of these acronym Prestos, like a couple years back, and now they're coming out with more colorways. This is one of the colorways. We also have the other ones, which is like this black and gray, and then the other one's like a white and volt. Out of the 3, this was the favorite one, my favorite one. And like I said, bro, I just needed these in the collection. It's the same shoe as the previous acronym Prestos, but just a different colorway. And bro, these are fire. You got that racer pink, and then you got the photo blue on like the mid area, and you got this little hit of volt going across the shoe, and it says acronym. See if you guys can see that right there, little hit of volt, and it just says acronym all the way. And obviously you got this swoosh right in the middle of the shoe, which is stitched in. And then obviously you got this design in black, and this whole shoe is pretty much mesh, so you can, yeah, there's like, you can just like squeeze down the shoe. But then you do have like these cages, plastic cages, that have this zebra kind of design on this cage, and then through the heel, back heel, and same with the inside, this cage, black and white zebra type print. And then obviously with acronym, from what I'm hearing, is that they're known for like putting like zippers and stuff on their product. So in the back you have like this button that you can actually like click in, or you can just take it off, and then you can unzipper the sides like so, like that, and like that. And I've seen people wear it without zipping it up, just like letting it hang or whatever. And I actually tried these on, and yeah, I can see why people don't zip it all the way up, because it does, like, it gets pretty tight on your ankle area. But yeah, you can zip it up, you can zip it down, doesn't matter. Yeah, it says acronym right there. Same thing with the other side. Where is it? Right there. Acronym. And yeah, man, this shoe overall, this shoe is dope. Like I said, I needed this in my collection. There goes the bottom, all black and white bottom. Midsole, you got that print right there as well. Midsole's white. You got that black swoosh right there. And yeah, you do have some leather hits, like on the back. You got some leather hits right there throughout the whole back, in this back area right here. And you have a little bit of leather on these little things, whatever you call these little flaps. Like I said, I tried these on, and the insole is like leather. It's just an kind of like this all white leather. It says Acronym and Nike Air right there. And this whole insole is leather. And when I tried the shoes on, it felt weird. Like, I don't know how to describe it. It felt kind of weird. But the way sizing goes on these, I know previously you had to choose. They didn't even go by size. So like 8, 9, 10, 11, they didn't even go by that. They went by like actual like clothes size, I guess you guys can say. They went like what, extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large. But on this one, there's no half sizes. So there's only like 8, 9, 10, 11. There's no 9.5, 10.5, 8.5. There's only full sizes. I went with a size 9. That's usually my size. And I would say just go to true to size. If you guys if you guys are thinking about picking these up, just go true to size. If you're size 9, if you're true size 9, go with size 9. So if you're a 8.5, 9, go with 9. If you're a 8, 8.5, go with 8. And I went true to size with these, and it fits perfect. No complaints. And I'm just happy to have this shoe in the collection. This shoe just looks beautiful in my opinion. Color combo, just a beautiful shoe and a very comfortable shoe. And yeah, that's pretty much an early look of the Acronym Presto Cotton Candy colorway. Like I said, these are coming out next week. Retail is $200. They are going to be releasing in the Nike sneaker app, all 3 colorways. And yeah, bro, this shoe is just beautiful. And Nike did do a surprise drop. When was it? It was like a couple weeks ago. Like an early release pretty much. But I took an L, and bro, I'm just happy to have these in the collection. This shoe just looks very, very nice. But that is going to be it for this video. If you're new, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. And I'm gonna go play some Call of Duty. Bruh, Call of Duty is like hard. I can't win no damn game. Like, I don't know what's up with this Call of Duty Battle Royale, but it's just frustrating. I can't win. I've gotten second place, but bruh, I'm trying. But yeah, that is gonna be it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.